Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at some of the JavaScript methods. Includes method determines whether the one string may be found within the another string. It returns true or false. If the string is found in another string, it will return the true. If it is not found, it returns false. Index of method returns the index within the calling string object of the first occurrence of the specified value. So if the value is not found, it returns -1. Next method is join method. Join method creates and returns a new string by concatenating all of the elements in an array. We will look at the end some of the examples. Next method is concat method. Concat method concatenates the string argument to the calling string and it will return a new string. So the first method is includes method. We write includes method. So we are going to write let's create a variable called string and we will assign values. Now if I want to check whether the string hello is present in or not, you can write str.include, right? So it returns true, and we need to remember that includes method is case sensitive. What if we write str.include? You can see if it is case sensitive, it won't work. So the string includes method is case sensitive, and you need to remember that. And what we need to create some of the other examples. Let's create another variable array. Write assign the variable values 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, and let's check whether the array contains the element 9. So it returns true. So the element 9 is present in the array. And if we write array.include 10, it returns false. So this is how we can find whether the element specified element or value will look for a value, like identifying the value in a string. And the next method is index of method. So index of method, like it's going to return the index of a specified value. Like you can see the str dot index of if I search the word e, so it is going to return the value 6. You can see here the first occurrence of an e, which is it is going to return the index value of the specified value. Next, if what if you want to check an array dot index of 0, so it is going to return 4. So in array the starts from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the element 0 is present at the 4th position in array, so the index is 4. So what if the element is not found? Let's write array.include, specify 10, array.index of 10. So the value is returning is -1. So if the value isn't found in a string or an array, it is going to return -1. And the next method is join method. So join method creates and returns a new string. So it is going to create and return the new string by concatenating all of the elements in an array. Let's look at, we created an array Let's create a new variable. Let new is equal to, okay, not new, we'll type text is equal to array dot join. If I want to add, now if I look at variable, you can see, so we added a colon at each end of the element. So after, but not the first element. After the first element, we are going to add. Now what if I want to add array dot join and empty? So it is going to return the values inside an array. It's going to return the new string. And if you write array dot join comma, you can see the string is going to return a new string with comma for each element. And the next method is Concat Method. So what it's going to do is it concatenates the string argument to the call string, or you can concatenate the strings or an array. So let's look at some examples. Let's create let str1 is equal to hello, and let str2 is equal to ready. So what if I concat, usually hold, right? We create a new variable. Let rating is equal to str1 plus str2. If I look at the rating, so we're going to concatenate the string 1 and string 2. So we use here plus symbol. Instead of that, you can use concatenate method to add two strings. Let's write str1 dot. So the str1 is the string argument. So we're calling to the string argument to the column string. So let's write str1 dot concat. Specify inside what you want to attach str2. We'll add space over here. So you can see hello there. So we concatenate two strings. We didn't use the plus operation. Here we used concatenate method. So it's going to return a new string which is hello there. What if I want to concatenate two arrays? Let's say let array1 is equal to 5, 9. Next, let array2 is equal to 1, 8, 0, 4. Now if you want to concatenate two arrays, and it concatenates two arrays and returns a new array, let's write array1 dot concat array2. So we need to store this in a new variable called let my array. So whenever I print my array, so it is going to concatenate the two strings. So now here the array length is 8. You can see first it is going to concatenate the array1 elements with the array2 elements. First it's going to return all the array one elements. So at the end we are adding array2 elements. You can see 1.804, but the length is 8. So array1 length is 5 and array2 length is 3. So after concatenating, the length will be 8. So we see concatenate method includes method index of and join method.